Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be opening two packages that I got in the mail that I'm super excited about. First is going to be Kylie Cosmetics holiday lips that I got, and the other one is Melt Cosmetics Smoke Sessions palette, which I'm so excited about. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up the Kylie package first. Now, I've never ordered from either of these companies before. I've been wanting to, but I just haven't. I don't know why. I don't know if it's... Sometimes I just feel like I don't need, like, everything. And then I want everything, but like I feel like I don't need everything. So I kind of have like a devil on one shoulder and an angel on the other saying, you don't need it, you don't need it. But this I needed. It comes with this Kylie postcard thingy. Happy holidays. I hope your year has been filled with love and joy. Best wishes to you and yours. All my love, Kylie. Isn't that sweet? Okay, so actually I got two Kylie sets of lips. I got the Baby It's Cold Outside lip collection. So this is the minis, and here's the packaging. It's just a cardboard slide off packaging. I got the 4 other shades that they haven't come yet. I thought they'd be coming today also, but I guess not. These are actually bigger than what I thought they would be. I knew that they were going to be mini. And I had read somewhere, oh my gosh, they're so small. I don't think that they're all that small. I mean, that's a pretty good size. Let's just go ahead and open them up one by one and swatch them. So this first one here is called Snowball, and it's a metal liquid lip. And I'm just going to put this right here. Oh, that's pretty. Can you see that? That's super pretty. It's kind of like a rose gold. Ooh, those smell so good. That smells like, I don't know what the smell smells like. Let me think about it and I'll get back to you, because that smells like something familiar, like, I don't know. This one is No Peeking, and this is a velvet lip, velvet finish. Ooh, that's like a peachy, see that? It's like a peachy toned lipstick. I'm so excited about these. I like having, you know, variety in shades and stuff. So this is good. Sweater Weather, which is a matte. It's super pretty. Okay. Then we have Small Wonder, which is a velvet shade. Ooh, that's really, it's kind of close to the other one. Kind of similar. Similar to, what was that one? Sweater Weather. But both are super pretty in their own ways. This next one is Naughty is the New Nice, and it's a metal finish. Super bright. Very pretty. I like the packaging too. I think it's super cute. And just toss it into your bag and bring it along wherever you're going to reapply if you need to. Okay, so the next one is December, which is a matte. This looks to be another, this one looks to be like a pinky red. And the camera's picking up pretty much true to a color on all of them. And then the last two, ooh, I'm gonna love this one. Under the Tree, which is a matte, and it's this like fuchsia color. It's like, bam! Love it. I'm gonna put that right there. Like, how awesome is that pink? It's like in your face, bam, pink. All right, and then the last one is Hot Cocoa, and it's a matte. Oh, this one's pretty too. Oh yeah. See, this is like totally me. I love a dark lip. So pretty. So that is the Baby It's Cold Outside lip collection. And I paid, what did I pay for this? I think it was like 42 bucks. Of course, it's not going to have the price on here. I believe it was like $42. And I got it from the website, Kylie's website, so I'll have to give them a shot on my lips and see how they hold up, because I have not purchased anything from Kylie Cosmetics before. I am going to swatch a Melt Cosmetics Smoke Sessions palette. It just came in the mail, and I actually ordered it before it came out on the Black Friday. They had like I don't know if it was like just a couple of hours where you could sign in onto their website with a secret code or whatever, and it opened up the website and you could like order it that way. So I'm like, oh, I'm one of the first people to actually order it, because then they stopped doing that and then they made everybody wait until Friday. I've never actually purchased anything from Melt Cosmetics. I haven't tried anything from Melt Cosmetics, so I'm actually really excited to give this a shot. And disclaimer, I have a disclaimer, I do not smoke weed. I do not use marijuana. And I'm neither here nor there on the subject. I'm really neutral on the whole thing, like, whatever, you know, like, whatever. If you want to do it, that's fine. If you're doing it for medical reasons, that's fine. If you don't agree with it, that's fine. I personally just don't smoke. Anyways, so that now that that's out of the way. So this is the box that it came in. I love it. It's got like all these awesome lips. So cute. And it says, thank you. We love you. We love you too. And just make sure, just wanted to make sure there wasn't like anything else in there. All right, so excited. So here it is. This is the box that it comes in. It's like this shiny cardboard. I'm going to open that up. I'm assuming that the palette looks just like the outer box, and it does. So this is like a cardboard box or cardboard palette. It's shiny. Seems like it's kind of like a little bit rubbery, so maybe it will get dirty quick, but whatever, no big deal. And then let's see. So I wanted these greens. I wanted these greens so bad. Like so bad. And I'm glad I got them. Look at these. Look at those shadows. Look at the golds. I mean, this thing is amazing. Look at how gorgeous are these shades. I'm so excited too. I just need a moment. I need a moment. Oh my God. Now, okay, so these two look really similar to me. And when I was seeing it on Instagram pictures, I'm like, those really kind of look so similar. And maybe these look similar too. I don't know. Let's swatch it and see how it swatches. I don't want to mess up the little imprinted leaf. I'm going to call it a leaf. So I'm going to take it from up here. Okay, so this is other swatches from, this is Gravity OG. Amazing. The next one is Granddaddy. Oh, they're like really smooth too. Oh, okay. All right. This one has more of a greenish tint to it. Okay. Next we have Black Widow. Okay. Next we have Sour Diesel, which it looks like it's a seriously like dark brown green. Yeah. So that one's matte. So it's got two matte shades in here. It's got the Sour Diesel, and it's got Space Queen, which is next. And this is just a seriously like one of the darkest greens I've ever seen. It's kind of picking up a little bit light in the viewfinder, but in person it is super dark green. Okay, and then we've got the next one, which is Mean Green. So excited about this shade. I'm excited about the next three shades. Okay, so that one's got like a shimmer to it. Let me pick a little bit more up. So excited. Okay, next we have Sweet Tooth. And these pans, there's a lot of product in these pans. Like, so excited about this one. Sweet Tooth, so pretty. So pretty. And then Blue Dream. So there is all the swatches. So you get 8 shadows. Excuse me. Come on, you bitch. Okay, so the palette was $48. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And if you have any questions, leave the questions down below. I'll link the website down below in the description bar. And I will see you in my next video.